Hi, Sarah here from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing, and welcome back to the Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. We are looking at now checklist item number 22. And today's checklist item asks, are you using only modified, broad, phrase and exact match keywords? So some of you are probably going, well, what other type of keywords are there? Of course, maybe an easier way to phrase that question would be, are you making sure that you are not using straight broad match keywords? Now, the reason that I'm talking about this in this one is that the best results you get with Google Ads are where you have the greatest control. You need to have control over when your ad serves, for what searches you show up for, so that your ads can be as relevant as possible, your landing page can be as relevant as possible, your quality scores are high, your CPCs are low, your click-through rates are high. You know, it's all linked together with the fact that your ads need to show up for the keywords that you decide, and show the ads that you decide are the most relevant for those particular keywords. Now, the problem with straight broad match is, so if you set up a campaign in Google Ads and you just follow the prompts and go through and type in keywords without any kind of modifiers or anything like that, then you will be entering broad match keywords. Now this, Google, when they say broad match, they really do mean broad match. So if your keyword is maybe dog training, you could actually show up for Excel training or dog kennel. I mean, it can be that way out. So the best way to have control, if you do use broad match, because you do need to use to have some kind of way of gathering new search data, finding new keywords that you need to target. The best way to do it is to use modified broad. This is where you put a little plus sign in between each keyword. So basically what that tells Google is, for the example of dog training, you'd have plus dog and then space plus training. It tells Google that you have to have the word dog in the search and you have to have the word training. Now they can be the other way around, and they can even be variations, but that's a whole different thing. So you could have how to train your dog, or it could be dog training made easy. It could be low-cost dog training in your own home, okay, or learn dog training. But the words dog and the word training have to be there. As I say, if you use straight broad match, you have dog training, you could end up with Excel training, cat training, whatever. So that's the main point of this. And using, obviously, exact match gives you most control. Phrase match also gives you a lot of control. But modified broad, make sure you're using modified broad, not straight broad match. Now, proviso, there are occasions where you will use broad match, but you need to be in control of that. Again, there are times when you need to kind of get more breadth of searches coming in, but that's not the rule. That's the exception to the rule in general. And most sort of normal advertisers really don't want to be showing up for such a wide variety of searches that aren't related to the keywords that they are trying to show up for. So, best way to check is just to go into your account and do a search for, you can filter by match type and say, right, show me every keyword match type that's a broad match, and that doesn't have the little plus symbol. And then you'll see if you have got any in there that are straight broad match. So as a rule, you need to avoid straight broad match. So that's today's checklist item. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget, in the comments below, you can download the full checklist as a PDF, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell your friends. Share it if you feel anybody else can benefit from it. But I will see you in the next video. Bye now.